Hey everyone, welcome back to Lu Cookbook. It's fall season, pumpkins are everywhere. And today, I will show you one of my favorite ways to turn pumpkin into a simple, delicious snack, pumpkin sesame balls. They are lightly sweet, crispy on the outside, soft and chewy inside, perfect for a party or cozy afternoon treat. Step 1. Prepare the pumpkins. I'm starting with about 300 grams of fresh pumpkin. First, peel off the skin. Though you can leave it on if you like, it's full of fiber and nutrient. Then cut the pumpkin into thin slices. Next, steam the slices for about 15 minutes until they're soft and tender. Let them cool a bit, then blend into a smooth pumpkin puree. Now, transfer the pumpkin puree into a mixing bowl. Step 2. Make the dough. To the pumpkin puree, add 300 grams of glutinous rice flour, also called sweet rice flour. Mix them together until you get a soft, even dough. If you prefer a sweeter flavor, you can add a bit of sugar here. I'm skipping it since pumpkin already has a natural sweetness. Knead the dough for a couple minutes. It should become a smooth yellow dough that doesn't stick to your hands. Now, pinch off a small piece and roll it between your palms to form a ball, about 2/3 the size of a ping pong ball. Roll each ball in a bowl of sesame seed until it's fully coated. Then lightly roll it again in your hands so the sesame seeds stick nicely. Repeat this process for all your dough. Look how pretty they are already. Step 3. Deep fry the sesame balls. Heat about 8 ounces of canola or vegetable oil in a wok over medium-high heat. You will want the oil to reach around 70% of its smoking point. A simple way to test: dip a chopstick in. If you see tiny bubbles form around it, the oil is ready. Gently place the balls into the oil. I like to fry in 2 batches so the wok doesn't get too crowded. As these fry, the balls will float and puff up beautifully. Fry until they turn a lovely golden brown color, about 5 to 8 minutes. Once done, remove them and place on a paper towel lined plate to absorb excess oil.
That's good.
And there you have it, golden pumpkin sesame balls, crispy outside, soft and chewy inside, and full of that warm pumpkin flavor. This makes perfect snack for family gatherings, tea time, and even a festive party treat. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe to Lu Cookbook for more cozy fall recipes coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.